Alright, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? It is another beautiful day here in Vancouver, British Columbia. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today is a really exciting day for me. I'm gonna actually install the first mod, official mod, to the A3 today, and we're actually about to head out and go pick up those parts somewhere that direction, somewhere. So let's do that. Let's hop in the A3 and let's go get those parts and some tools. So a big shout out to my buddy Colton, who's hooking me up with the spring compressors, who actually is in the Audi club here in Vancouver, BC. So we're gonna drive over to his place and grab the spring compressors, which are the only tools that we still need to install this. Let's rip over there and go grab that stuff. I always love driving over this bridge. The view never gets old. It's like, damn. Just all the mountains and everything. It's a little bit foggy, I guess you could say. Damn. I love this city. So we got some gosh darn spring compressors. Gonna do this the big safe way and use those bad boys to put some springs on. So now we have to figure out our way getting home, but the old map said there's some police up ahead. So hopefully there ain't nothing major going on, but let's go home and install these bad boys. Check out that purple GTR in front of us. That wrap is sick. I love that color. It's pretty loud too. I think sick. Hell yeah, bro. He's just cruising though, he doesn't want to be loud. That's sick. So, here they are. These are the H&R springs that I bought. I bought them used off some guy on Craigslist who actually never ended up using them, and they're brand new. Like, never installed. In the packaging. Still even has the installation information, which is pretty funny because that rhymed, but never been used. I'm super amped for this. This is gonna be so sick. I've never actually installed lowering springs on my own vehicles, but I've installed lowering springs before on closest friends. He drives an 8V A3 sedan and it looked really cool. So we're gonna install these bad boys on here, and these are supposed to drop at, I believe it's 1.2 inches all the way around. So we're gonna get rid of the monster truck look we got going on here. Without further ado, I'm actually gonna grab some water first, and we're gonna get started. So I got the strut out. It actually took me a lot longer than I anticipated, as I've done A3s before, but I've done front wheel drive, and we did it before without taking the axle out. So that was kind of new for me. So I had to take that out and actually go and buy some more tools before I actually tore it all apart. And it's like definitely a lot more hours later, but the strut is out. The new spring is on the H&Rs. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna slam it back in here. There's tons of videos like putting it all back together, so I'm not really gonna talk. I'll probably just time lapse it, but anyways, it was a pain in the butt, and there was definitely a lot of swearing, so that will not be put in the video. But anyways, let's throw this bad boy back in the car and let's see how low she gets. And we're done. The car's officially on the H&R lowering springs. Just to the eye, for me especially, it does look a lot lower than what it was before. I'll put up a photo now and I'll compare it right now. But what I did before is I put a pop can. I could fit an entire pop can like in the fender well on the tire, and now I can't even get it in there without crinkling it. So the car's definitely lower. I mean, I do have to drive it to allow the suspension to settle in. So I'm gonna drive it, I'm gonna break it in, and then we're gonna go and we're gonna look at it again. So I'll see you in about 3 seconds, but for me it'll be an hour or so. So it's actually been about a week because I was told I need to let the springs settle in a little bit. So here we are exactly 1 week later. And I actually don't even have the mic on the camera, so I hope the audio is okay, but here's the car. It's definitely no longer quite monster truck status. We're looking for wheels right now, but I just gave it a quick wash, and so yeah, there it is. I'll grab the old pop can so we can confirm. There we go, it doesn't even remotely get in there anymore. And so, like I said, it's about 1 inch, 0.2 of a drop, and it's definitely achieving a little bit of low status, and I'm actually quite happy with the way it is because it's not absolutely ridiculously low like coilovers or bags. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this video a little bit interesting. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'm actually working on doing some branding and that kind of thing soon, so once we get to a bit of a higher subscriber count and we start doing some more crazy mods to either the Audi or the Miata, and I actually just drove the Miata and I really do miss the thing, we will start dropping the brand. We've already worked on some stickers and we've got some hoodie designs and some t-shirts. So like the video, share the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and thank you guys for watching, and peace out and have an awesome day, guys.